Today I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon with grapes. I'm opening the packet of grapes and I'm going to put it in the sink to wash so it's nice and clean because we don't want any dirt from the grapes. So I'm washing it very well with cold water. I'm going to cut the grapes in half and then I'm going to put it in the bowl. Once the grapes are cut, I am going to put some lemon and squeeze it hard so I get all the lemon juice in. I'm just mixing everything together so it tastes nice afterwards. So this is how I made the grapes with lemon, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos on how to make things